Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'll be teaching you a very easy and healthy breakfast idea. It requires only 4 ingredients. We're going to need a whole wheat bagel, half of it, 1 egg. I'm using 3 slices of tomatoes, and I'll be using half of an avocado. So let's get started. In a non-stick pan, I'll be putting in a little bit of vegetable oil, and I'm going to heat the pan up, and I'm going to fry an egg. But I'm only going to be using the egg whites, not the yolk, because egg whites, it's low in calorie and low in fat. Next, I will be cooking up the egg on both sides. I like to cook my egg all the way through, nothing runny. So I will be doing that. This recipe is very easy. This breakfast is very easy on the go. It takes less than 3 minutes. That's even like taking it too far. A couple of minutes and you're out of the door with the breakfast. So I flipped it over and I'm cooking on the other side. Next I will put it on a plate and assemble this open face sandwich. If it's a fresh bagel, you don't need to toast it, but if you like toasting it like a warm toasty bread, that's fine. I'm gonna just take the bagel and put the avocado slices on top first. There's no butter involved in this. Avocado acts like the butter. Then I'm gonna put the tomatoes on top, the sliced tomatoes. The tomatoes give it the juiciness in the sandwich. And I'm gonna put the egg white, cooked egg white on top. Now I will take the black pepper and just sprinkle some black pepper on top. And that's it. This is a finished product. I'm going to plate it for you with the strawberries and grapes. And you'll see how it looks like. It's very simple, very quick, very easy, very healthy. It's very fulfilling, like you'll feel like, you're full till lunch. So I hope you guys give this a try, and I will do that myself. I will take a try. I will taste test it for you, and it's delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.